Queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have another Amazon headband wig haul for you, girl, and I am so excited, you guys, because it's been a little minute since I busted out some more wigs to try. All the wigs will be listed in the description below. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I really appreciate it. And before we jump into these wigs, if you're interested in the braided wig that I'm wearing right now, this is a synthetic braided wig. It will be listed in the description below. And if you're interested in my She's Poppin' t-shirt that I designed, that is how you support my channel. Definitely pick you one up. They're listed right up under all of my videos. All right, queens, without further ado, let's get this wig review poppin'. Yes! So we're gonna put the burgundy to the side and we're gonna actually bust open this new Faux Loc headband wig from a new brand that I have never tried. It comes with the net intact, and this is what the wig looks like. This is the Faux Locs, and this is like the crinkly, curly style. The other Faux Loc wig is a different style. It's probably like a long bob. This is what it looks like. There are no filler hairs, and I know that because I already unboxed it on TikTok like I told y'all. So there's no filler hairs to this wig. So here is the headband. It has a Velcro strap that you can use to adjust it. The headband is attached. It does come with, oh, there are no combs. I'm a little shocked. Wow. But there are adjustable straps. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. And here is our wig. So let's go ahead and try it on. All right, you guys, we have the first unit on. And I have to say, I am very happy with my purchase. This one runs in the $30 range on Amazon. And I have to say that I absolutely love this wig, okay? And I'm gonna tell you all the reasons why. I'm gonna tell you a few things you need to know, especially if you're thinking about trying it, and then we're gonna rate it 1 to 10. So let's just hop right into it, girl. So you guys, I love this wig because one, y'all know I love me a bob to a long bob, not too long. I have this hair flipped over. There's no parting space, of course, because it's a headband wig, but you guys saw me try on 2 different headbands. Those are both from Amazon, and they come in a variety pack of colors and styles, so I will link those in the description below. The hair itself I like because it's very soft. I'm not sure if this is actually like crochet hair, but it's very soft and it doesn't feel irritating. The hair does seem to be okay quality, especially for the price that we paid, okay? And for it to not have any combs, it's feeling very secure. I definitely do like this unit. I honestly don't have any complaints because of course I'm not going to deal with shedding or tangling because this is already in the style of lock. So you guys, if I were to rate this one 1 to 10, I would definitely give it a 9. Only reason why I'm giving it as a 9 is because it would be better in my opinion if it had a comb on the inside. Like I said, you don't necessarily need it, but everybody like that extra bit of security. Just comment below and tell me what you would rate it. If you are in the premiere right now, definitely leave me a comment in the live chat and let me know what you would rate it. And let's go ahead and get into the second wig. All right, you guys, so we're gonna jump into the next wig. We're gonna bust out this burgundy style, and like I said, we've already tried this in black, okay? So if you missed the black, girl, you better go on back because the black version is popping. So you guys, this is what the wig looks like. This is the same type of headband. It has the black headband attached to it. And this one does come with combs, okay? So we have one comb on the right and the left at the top of the wig. We have adjustable straps as well. And then, of course, we have this Velcro black headband that is attached to the wig. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and put this little thing on. I love the colors, you guys. I want to note that the Faux Locs are different. This is like the hair. It looks like Marley hair, like rolled into a lock, and then the ends are curled, okay? So the cap size is big head friendly, but it comes with combs, adjustable straps, and a Velcro band attached to it, which is the headband that you can use to make it fit to your liking. So I don't feel like you're gonna have issues with this if you're a smaller head size, a bigger head size, an average head size. I don't feel like you're gonna have problems because it comes with the construction that we needed, okay? So this scarf I got from Amazon as well, y'all. I showed you in last week's vlog when I hauled like 9 different scarves from Amazon. I will link this one and a few others in the description below. So I styled this in a bun by simply wrapping around that ponytail, and I will have a reel up in a short here on YouTube.
So now I'm going to show you guys a mini tutorial on how I wrapped my edge scarf from Amazon. I took it from the back and knotted it twice at the top of my head, and from there I took each side of the scarf and I just tucked it around the back of the scarf. So it's really simple. It looks way more complicated than it is. So that's my second knot. I take one side and wrap it around, tuck it in the back of the scarf, and then I do the exact same thing for the other side, and that is how I created this look. Now, I have so many of these scarves from Amazon. They range from like $3 to $6. It is linked in the description, but this is what the final look turned out to be.
And now that I'm showing you the bun, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in my ponytail because that's how I like it the best. Alright girl, now we're back how I like it. So you guys, as far as shedding and tangling, of course you're not going to have those types of issues with this wig because it is in the style faux locks. You do get a few snags with this wig, like if you're really raking your hands through it because it is on the thicker side. And if this wig is too thick for you guys, I highly suggest you going in like in the middle of the wig and just snipping out some of those hairs. I don't feel like that would make a big deal as far as the construction. I don't think it would disturb the cap. So if it's too thick, feel free to get your scissors, okay, and go in there and just go from the cap, pull the extension and just snip, and that would definitely help with the thickness. But to me, it's not too thick. I like it the way that it is. This wig is really affordable, you guys. It's in the $30 range. That's why I love it. Like I said, it does come in natural color, so if the red is too much for you, girl, go get you a natural color, okay? I don't know how much longer these faux lock wigs will be available on Amazon. So you guys, I am just smitten with this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and rate it a 10, y'all. A 10, 10, 10. I don't have any complaints. I love it. I think it looks so cute on your girl, and I know it's gonna look even cuter on y'all. So when y'all pick this up, tag me your pictures on Instagram. We have one more wig to get into in this video, and this wig, I told y'all, was a little surprise. It is not a faux lock wig, okay? I'm excited to get into it with y'all. This is my first time trying it, but first, I have a quick commercial that I'm gonna show, and if you guys appreciate me in this video, I hope you will sit through these few seconds. But let's roll the commercial. Hey queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and thank you for watching my channel because obviously if you're watching it now, you're seeing my commercial. So today I'm going to let you guys know a little bit about my business and show you what the website looks like for a quick second, and then we'll get back to the slay. So here's my website, Another Queen's Treasure. You can also follow me on Instagram at Another Queen's Treasure, and here are a few of my products. Right now I'm wearing the Queen Defined t-shirt. I have the matching mug here, and I have my I Am a Queen mug. You can pick up any of these items and more at my website, anotherqueenstreasure.com, or click the link in the description, or you can now tap my products right up on my video. Again, thanks girls so much for watching, and let's get back to the video. Okay, you guys, so this is a bang unit, all right? This is a bang unit, so we're not even gonna have to wear our edges out. And I know you guys see me wearing my edges in a lot of my videos, but we don't have to wear our edges in this one. And that's why I picked it up for those of you that don't want to wear any type of leave out, period. No leave out, okay? So this wig is in like an auburn color. It has like supposed to be some kinky curly curls, okay? Some real kinky curls up here in the top. It's like a mini fro. And it is on a headband that attaches all the way to the back. Okay, it has some African print inspired looks, and it does come with the bangs. So this is what we're looking like. Now these types of wigs I love to throw on and go to the store. It's come with a drawstring in the back. I am going to go ahead and dive into this wig with you guys. What y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna be cute? If not, y'all know I have some ways to finesse it, okay? I got some scars, I got some pineapple scars. We're gonna make it do what it do. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So you guys, like I said, this wig was super affordable. I did get it from Amazon as well. It is linked in the description, just like all of the other Amazon wigs and products that I went over. And usually I will put like a scarf or a wrap over the scarf that the wig comes with because usually they're not really that cute. This one I can get with. I like the quality and it looks pretty good to me, so I'm gonna leave it the way it is. This is synthetic hair. I do want to make sure you guys know that. For synthetic hair and the price that I paid, I don't think that this is too bad, okay? The hair is very soft. I'm not really worried about it tangling or anything because this is like supposed to be a kinky curly texture, and I'm honestly not putting a comb through this. Like, no, y'all know me, I'm not putting a comb through this. Only thing I will probably use is some wig shine spray, which I do have. I will link some in the description. I do like the bangs, you guys. The bangs sit right just the way I need them to. If they're too long on you, do not be afraid to cut them. I have done that in the past, or to just push your wig back. See how the bangs get shorter, or pull your wig down to make them a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and rate this wig a 9.5. And the only reason why that is not a 10 is because I wish that this headband that is attached to it was a solid color. But if this was a solid color, it would be literally a 10. And I also wish that the hair color was more of a natural color. I don't think that this color looks bad on me. But if you have like a black headband and black or 1B hair, girl, you can wear that anywhere. So that would just be my goals. But other than that, I really don't have any issues with the wigs. Even though there's no combs in this wig, that drawstring be holding it down for me. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody who you know would appreciate these styles. And if you are still watching and you're not subscribed, girl, go ahead and hit that button. It would mean so much to me. It would make my day if you guys would hit that subscribe button and join us over here on YouTube. I love you queens so much. Don't forget to check out my wig catalog that I just created. For whatever style you may be looking for, you can access it at any time. The link is in the description, and pick up any of these wigs that you like. Support your girl through her links and your She's Poppin' t-shirt from my store. Comment below and let me know your ratings for each wig, or let me know which one of these styles was your favorite. I'll talk to you queens very, very soon. Bye.